people. Back on Noraloo. Yeah. Working again. Stopping over for a few days, test everything out to make sure the system's pucker. You know, got to do some masticing. When I get to an area that's half decent in size, I'll try and show you a bit of that. That'll be fun for you. Don't know how it's going to work out for me, but it'll be fun for you. And it might even be a bit of cooking. Bit of cooking today. How about that? We'll see how that turns out. If not today, tomorrow. Certainly for breakfast. So, yeah. Oh, once again, thanks for joining. You know, I've got a new subscriber, so that's good news, isn't it? I need a few more though. Not over yet. I need quite a few more actually. But yeah, you know what to do. Subscribe to Cruising Noraloo. You know what to do. Easy, innit? Anyway, I'm going to have a cup of tea and a faggy, and I'll see you later. Ta-da! Right guys, we did say we're going to could have some cooking going on in this video, didn't we? We did say that earlier. I hope you can see me. If you can't, I might as well talk to this Mickey. So, let's see what's in the fridge. Let's have a look. What do we fancy tonight? Ooh. Ooh. Alright. This is it, guys. We're having chicken madras and rice. Oh yes. I better put my glasses on so I can see what I'm doing. Alright. Full pipe and chilled. Moose leaf, done that. Pears film. Oh. Need a bit of crockery. Cutlery. Alright. Remove sleeve and pierce film. Okay, so we've done that bit. Alright. Stir halfway through. It's cooking from frozen egg too. No, I'm not. Alright. So here we go. Mickey Power from Chilled. So wait, mate, here's the timer. Alright, so micro power. 20, 40. There we go, 6 minutes. Got to stir that halfway through. Oh. 6 minutes, start. Right, that's that. So, I'll see you in 6 minutes. This is wonderful cooking. Now, I'll just have a little sit down here. Alright, I don't know if you can see me really. Yeah, I'm about to go up there a bit. Go that way. I don't know. Can you, there you go. You can probably see me there now. Yeah. Alright, now I've done it, just let that calm down for a bit and I'll show you what we've achieved. If anything. It's probably looking better than it's going to taste. But you know, I don't have to go far to get it up. There we are. Alright. Let me just turn this down a bit now. There you go. That is what we've achieved. Looks lovely, doesn't it? Okay. Let's go then. Because this is not a review, you know. Not bad. Well, so I was drinking my dress. Should have got a fork. Nice, but come on. Well, I'm going to eat this. No. Oh my God. No, I've got my cooking with Chris. If it can be done in a Mickey, I'm your guy. Alright, I'm going to eat this. You can have to do what you're going to do, and I'm going to eat and drink this, and I'll probably see you in the morning now. Okay. Okay. Cheers, guys. Oh, that's good. See you tomorrow. Morning, people. Bit of a chilly morning here, about 8 degrees. I slept all right though, so that's something. Right, another cooking bid. Frying pan, hob. So far so good. Oil. What are we having, you say? No. What are we going to have today? What are we having today, Christopher? Right. Oh, I think that's plenty of oil. What we're having today, I'll go in the fridge first. Bacon sandwich. We're going to have a bacon patty. Bacon. Comes. I hope this opens up alright, otherwise I'm scuppered. Oh, look at that. Right. Bacon. Lovely. Let's get this on then. I really better want to put it. Let's put it round about half. Put it round about halfway. Lovely. Need one of those. Fortunately, I have bread. Oh yeah. First time I've cooked it here, so I don't know how long it's going to take. This bacon sandwich for breakfast could be a bacon sandwich for lunch. I don't know. Yeah, well, I'm starting alright. Alright. Here we go. Here we go, guys. We're going in. The bacon's going in. As if I can get hold of it. There we go. Oh yes. Can you hear that sizzle? Oh, rubbish. Yeah, I think I might have turned this up a bit. I'll just move that round there a bit. Well, I'll squeeze another rasher. You got to have 4 rashers in a bacon butter, didn't you? Well, put it on full power. While that's doing nothing, all the butter some bread. I went to melt my butter. Melted on. Stick around guys, you might hear my bacon sizzle. Well, now we've got that water off, or getting the water off, we might start frying something. How do you want your bacon, fried or boiled? I'm going to move that over. Alright, I'm going to tap. Put an egg in there. Always wonder what that little hole was for. Look, that's put your eggs in. Oh, I mean, great, isn't it, eh? Right, I'm going to have to turn this down now. Gosh, that's a hard shell, isn't it? Oh. Right, a bit more oil. Oh, nearly had it. There you go. Right, now stop there. Steam up here now, and we've got everything on the go. Right, then. Right, I reckon I'll turn it off now. Right, get this on. Cup of tea. Go have a cup of tea with it. Oh, in and out of it. Breathe. Ain't go off now. Right. There we go then, people. This is it. Bacon butty, egg extraordinaire, I reckon this is called. I don't know what that is. A bit of bacon. Right. All this needs now is we need to have a bit more space. I hope you can see this. Just don't come out, I'm wasting more time. Right. You've got to have a bit of the old HP. There are other sauces you can have. But I like a bit of HP. Nibble that on there, lovely. Now, where'll I get that from? Put it up there, no. Put it there for now. Right. There we go. This is the moment of truth. Oh, it's a good one. Now, I'm going to show you this really. Cut that in there. There we go. There you go guys, look at that. I think that turned out alright. But I'm going to have this. And I'll try and show you a bit of flooring later. Okay. Alright guys, this is it. I've already taped off. I didn't want to bore you with taping, I mean, like, how exciting is that, watch somebody taping? But this is where the fun starts. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start over here, work my way round. Even this might be boring for you, but there you go. It's going to be fun for me. Oh. Wait. Might have to come this way now. There we go. Get that blob off before it goes too high. Oh, never mind. Get that off late. Wait, later. Oh boy. There we go. More or less got going where I want it to. Right. Right. That's that thing. Right. What's a bit of this. Yeah, where's that screw? All over the place here. Right. There you go. Right. There you go, my old driver card that is. No good anymore for driving lorries, but it has its purpose. Sort of. Oh, nuts. How my toxin? Oh. Oh, no. I don't know how I'm going to get that out. Oh. Oh. What a state to get in, guys. Let's get that off. And get them off. Right, as you can see, guys, I've got this having a bit of a state here. So, we'll have to turn you up and see if I can clean this mess up. Catch you later. Morning, people. Just got back from the shower. I've got a shower in here. I thought I'd use somebody else's hot water. Why use your own? So I hope you can see me. I'll just put another bit of hair on, I think. There you go. How about that? I might see me better. Who knows? Because I know you want to see me. So, floor. It's all done. It's cleaned up all right. I'll show you. It needs a sweep, but I'll show you. Here we go, look. There you are. You'll see no blobs of mastic anywhere, which is good. Come here, look. There you go. Smashing. So, yeah. That's turned out alright. That's it. I'm stopping there. Keep fiddling and farting about with it. It's going to make it worse, isn't it? So, we'll leave it there. Today, I've got to go and see him in the office about a bit of mechanical work. Well, I say mechanical work, it's not really mechanical work, it's to do with the water filter. The weed filter. So that gets blocked, the engine can overheat. So we don't want that. So I've got to work that out. Then I'm going to have a good clean up. Get the old boat sorted out on top, clean her up, give her a wash down. And that's my lot for today, and then I'll be going home tomorrow. I think. Yeah, well, I know I'll be going home tomorrow. I don't think I'll be going home tonight. But I'll go back tomorrow. So, that's it really for this little video. So, thanks for watching. And subscribing, because I know people have been subscribing. I want you to watch though. I want you to watch. Well, and subscribe of course if you like, you know. Yeah. You know what to do. Subscribe to Cruising Noraloo. Lovely job. Ta-da!